Ladies and gentlemen, if you need to write a authorization letter to claim money, I'm going to show you exactly how to get it done. There's actually a structure that you can use, and it's pretty quick and easy. So stick close and let's go. So let's write this authorization letter to claim money. So the first thing you want to do is add in your basic details. You want to address it to somebody. So in this case, we're going to address it to management or the concerned authority. You can also put in whatever department, whatever name, whatever entity you need to put in here. You can add in this detail as it applies to you specifically. The next thing, of course, you need to add a date, and then you need to add your details or the recipient's details. Okay, so here we're going to go from recipient's name, recipient's authority. This could be a position or any sort of authority that this recipient has. Let's get into the body over here. We're going to write a subject. So this is, of course, an authority letter to claim money. And we're going to now go into the letter itself, and we're going to say, Dear Management, Concerned Authority. This could very likely be the very same statement that you're adding in over here. So whatever you have put up there, whoever you've addressed it to, you should address this person the same way. We're going to go into the body now, and here it says, this is to bring into your kind concern that I, and you're going to put your name in here, and it's going to be the recipient's name or recipient's authority name. Here you're going to say, hereby authorize, and you're going to add the name of the person that will be receiving the money or the claim of money. And 2, you are going to type in claim money. This could be claim money, claim funds, claim a specific type of fund or a specific type of money that is going to be received. And then you're going to say name, which is the person that will be receiving. We'll say may claim a total sum of, and you're going to add the amount here. It's always good to write the amount in numbers and then also write it out in letters, in words. And then you're going to say at location. You're going to state a location here, and you are going to add in the date again over here so that you can authorize this officially. The next section over here, you are just going to write a small note, and it says, should you have any queries about the identity of the person authorized to carry this letter, feel free to contact me anytime. This, of course, again, can be customized to whatever you would like to put in here. You can change it up a bit. And then the next section is just adding those contact details. So that would include your email address, a contact number, be it an office number or a personal cell phone number, whichever the case may be, which applies to you specifically. And also, you need to state, I'm also enclosing the identity proof of the person bearing this letter for your reference. And we're going to go down here, yours sincerely. You're going to drop your signature in there. You're going to drop your full name in there, and you are done. You have now written an authorization letter to claim money. I hope this video was helpful.